I think Indian Motorcycle had a huge impact on the motorcycle industry for the first 50 years. It was definitely a driving force for the whole industry and the development of the motorcycle as a transportation piece on two wheels.
125 years, category first, all the innovations over the last century plus. First then, first now, and never finished. And that DNA is in this company.
I think it's really interesting to see what the brand has accomplished and what it's endured. The brand is still here. It survived. That really symbolizes how strong this brand is. And we're still here and we're not finished. We keep moving, we keep pushing. We still have a lot of stuff to do. We basically barely just got started.
You can't celebrate a huge anniversary like 125 years without bringing product into it. And we're going to have an incredible lineup of 125th anniversary models to celebrate this incredible milestone.
The lineup includes Scout Bobber, the Chief Vintage, the Challenger, and the Roadmaster. We picked these motorcycles for the lineup because each motorcycle is so significant for its platform. You have the Scout Bobber, which really took the Scout to the next level. It's one of our most sold motorcycles in that lineup. The Challenger was the motorcycle that really elevated the bagger segment to a whole new level. The Chief Vintage is of course the brand new bike for this year. It really in a beautiful way sums up 125 years of being a motorcycle. And the bike that reignited this whole story is of course the Roadmaster. When you see the lineup from far away, the first thing you see is of course the color scheme that all these four bikes share. And it's that black crystal fade on the anniversary red candy. When you get closer to the bike, you see the red line that runs through all the four bikes and connects all of them together. But as you get closer, you realize it's not a carbon copy on each bike. They all have their individual little Easter eggs planted in each bike. And the theme is of course adapted to each motorcycle. And even when you get up and really close and personal to the bike, you start to see the badging, you start to see the details, you see the 125th badge on the tank. And when you get super up and close in detail, you even see the 125th anniversary writing in the actual red lines. All the four bikes are based on a hand-painted process, so it's a very time-elaborate job to get these paints done. To me, it really represents that level of craftsmanship that we're really aiming for. In addition to these limited edition motorcycles, we also have an apparel collection for the 125th anniversary. The red line is really what stitches everything together, because you will see that line from the motorcycle as well as the 125th anniversary badging also come back in the apparel. The lineup includes a leather jacket and a leather men's jacket, men's and women's shirt, hat, and a special collaborative flannel that Indian Motorcycle did with Dixon.
When I think about never finished, and I think about sitting here as the new CEO of Indian Motorcycle Company with 125 years behind us, there's another 125 years ahead of us.